Okay. So, Xandros, you going to explain what we have here?
So we waited about 4 days. I played with my dad, but I noticed, I looked in the fridge, and I saw this.
What is it?
And this.
What is it?
This is water.
Okay.
Cold water.
Frozen water.
Frozen water. And this is frozen milk.
Does it look different than regular milk?
Yeah, it looks different.
What does it look like? It looks yellow.
It looks like doo-doo.
It looks yellow. Isn't that weird?
It looks like doo-doo.
That's yellow. And that's obviously white. You know, just like ice clear.
But
look at the difference between those two is not very different. Whereas when you look at, in fact, hold on one second. Okay. Oh, shoot. I think that might be upside down. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, so now this is normal milk. What can you tell? Look at the difference in the color. It's so dramatic. And look, I don't know if you can see. When I filled these up, I made a little mark. But you can't see it because it's kind of come off. But they were only filled up to about here. Xandros, do you see where they were filled up to? They were filled up to about there. So what's happened?
They've gone up.
They've gone up. It's called expansion. Water, and because milk has water in it, it actually expands. And you can even see on the top of this one, do you see how there's kind of like a little hump in the middle? See? I don't know if you can see that in the picture.
But guys,
that's because it expanded, and because during the crystallization form, it got bigger.
But also one thing to do, we're going to test a durability test on one of these.
So can you say that this is, do you think this is going to be like regular milk when it thaws? Yeah, I don't think so either. I think it's going to be just a little bit different.
But
separated.
also before we test.
Will this go back to normal?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
now go grab the egg. You forgot to grab the egg.
No, just one thing. We will do durability test on this.
Okay. Go grab the egg.
Where's the egg?
It's in the freezer. Grab one of your plastic bowls as well.
What?
Grab one of your plastic bowls as well. Okay. So there's our frozen egg. Is there anything you can tell about it? Does it look?
It looks more foggy.
Ooh, look at this. Do you see this? I don't know if you can see this. There's a crack. Do you see the crack?
Oh, yeah.
Why do you think there's a crack?
Because it got thinner.
Do you think it's similar? Do you think there's water in this egg, and as it crystallized, it grew and got bigger like the milk and the water?
Yeah.
I think you're right. All right, take your bag or your bowl. Let's move the ones that can spill. Okay, these ones cannot spill. Now try cracking that one in there and see if it looks like
Let's crack it on the crack.
Yeah, see if it looks like the same as the. Yeah, nothing's happening, is it? It's just that frozen. Okay. Now let me see. What does it look like? Turn it around. Let me see. Turn it around so I can see. Oh, there we go. It looks exactly the same as before you started trying to crack it open.
All right, we have to do this outside.
Okay, no, what we need to do is let that one thaw out, and then we'll crack it open and see what it looks like.
Now we'll do a durability test on one of these.
Okay.
The water first.
Okay.
Let's try to break this water. Oh.
Here, put it in the bowl. Oh, hold on to the bowl. There you go. Okay, now put the milk in. Startled me. Phil, touch it. What does it feel like? Don't wipe it on there. What does it feel like?
It feels like this.
I think it feels kind of like ice cream.
Yeah.
Kind of slimy.
Yeah. All right, we're going to have to use like a stronger tool.
Do you see how clear, how white, how like yellowish the milk is, Daddy?
Need a stronger tool.
Here, do you want to try the bottle opener?
Okay, remember to hold the bowl so everything doesn't
Yeah.
go flying.
Hold it stiff.
Which one feels harder, the ice or the milk? Hit the milk. Which one feels harder?
Definitely the milk.
The milk feels harder or softer?
Softer.
Ah, so maybe the fat in the milk is keeping it from freezing it as much as the ice does, or the water, I mean, turning to ice. All right, so we'll have to record. We'll have to do another recording when the egg has fully thawed. Okay.
All right.